Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, just playing around and found a pretty unique, pretty easy way to draw that type of flower right there. I'm just going to start from scratch. I'm going to take a ellipse and hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to go to object and convert it to a curve. I'm going to grab my shape tool. I'm going to start moving down that top node. I'm going to hold in the control button so it'll snap to that other node. That's all that's really to it. Control D and make a duplicate, double click on the rotation and put it on that node. And then just rotate it where it's not touching. And then Control D, Control D, Control D. I actually went too far on one of them. So you can have them spaced out a little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and fill them with blue and take away the outline. And I'm going to rotate this thing so it'll be, I'm going to group it together, Control G. And I'm just going to rotate it where it's semi upright. Whoop. And then just, I'm going to move it a little bit up. And it's all one group now, so I can use the interactive fill tool. And I'm going to start from the middle and go up, and I'm going to put a little lighter blue there and move that down and maybe put another dark blue somewhere in here. Now, and then move this down and get some pink or the lighter color. Now let's just take really what makes it stand out if you printed this on a black t-shirt or something black and go to object order, back a page. It can't get any simpler than that. And really we could have had these spaced out a little bit. Let's try that. Let's go back. I always like to, that was pretty simple video. I'd like to maybe show off what else you could do. I am going to, let me back up completely. So that's our starting copy. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. This time I'm going to go all the way to the other one, or almost to it, okay? I don't know if this will even work, but I'm going to try it. I'm going to shift select the other one, and I'm going to go to blend and blend it just 2 times. You know what? That's a pretty neat effect because it got a little bit smaller. You never know what you're going to get till you do it. Let's go ahead and take that and make that blue and take away the outline. Pretty unique. Let's rotate it, kind of get it flat. Then take the interactive fill tool and just select it. Put a little bit of light blue there. Maybe bring it down. Put a little bit of dark blue somewhere in there. Bring this down. You know what? See, I'm almost glad this happened. Because this is a blend, if you remember. So I need to go back and break the blend apart. Then I'm going to go ahead and go object group and group it together. Now I can rotate it now. And by doing that, now it'll be blue, take away the outline. I often forget about taking away the blend, and see now it's doing all the colors or all the petals, or, you know, because you could slope it this way and get more on that side. And that would be a pretty cool effect. Let's go ahead and bring this down and get some really good color. Let's bring in a black box, fill it with black, object, order, back a page. Pretty simple, pretty unique. I like it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.